Hi, everybody. So today we're looking for houses to rent while the promised land is getting finished. So we're in the neighborhood and we're checking out houses that we can rent. And this is the area in Namata. And this is actually the road that's going to the new airport. And it's just beautiful out here. These homes in the valleys. And the promised land is a few miles that way. So let's go in and check this house out and see if we like it or not. Oh, pretty nice. This is a guardhouse here, and it's a garden here. I see there's a papaya tree, a mango tree, and 2 orange trees. That's nice. Pretty much parking. And another little garden over there. That's pretty cool. You can hear the birds too. It's quiet. Nice. So, and then this is where we could sit out and look at the garden and listen to the birds. All right, let's go inside and look around. Wow. We're gonna bring our own furniture, but it's nice that they even have this available. If you didn't have furniture, you could get a place that has furniture already and get started. This is the dining room. And in here, I think is the kitchen. Let's check it out. Nice sized kitchen, granite countertops, and plenty of shelving, that's for sure. And there's a gas stove, an oven. Yeah, nice shelving. And then here's the pantry. I guess, I don't know what this room was for, but there's a refrigerator, maybe storage of dry goods. And these might go, that goes to the hallway here to the bedrooms. Let's go look outside because I'm curious to see what's out here. Oh, okay. So there's a washroom. It's bright and sunny out here, nice. Oh, and then these are staff rooms. 1, 2, 3 rooms for staff and another outside kitchen. And then just, I don't know what's this back here, nothing. Just the side of the house. And then there's a shower and a bathroom back there. So, and this is the wash area. And then clothesline here, clothesline there. And security all the way around. Okay. Let's go see how the bedrooms look. That's important. The asking price is $450 for a month, $450 for this house, which from my point of view, that's amazing. But we're going to ask for even less. I guess the locals feel that's pretty high, so they're going to ask for about $300 a month. So it's a 5-bedroom. There's 3 on this side and 2 on that side of the house, and the kitchen and living room in the middle. And also in the back, you have 3 bedrooms for staff quarters, and they have their own shower and bathroom back there also. So let's look at some of the rooms and see what size they are and how the lighting looks in there. Come on. So here's 1 bedroom. It's simple enough. Let's see how this curtain. Oh, so you can see the yard, the front garden in the front. So it's nice and bright in this room. This is a good room, especially for the kids. Really nice. Right. Here's another bathroom here. Okay. Nice sink and shower. Okay. Tall, very tall ceiling. A full sink. And then here's another bedroom in here. And this guy comes with the house also to service the ladies.
Oh, no.
And it's got a garden view here. Pretty nice. And then a wardrobe here to put your clothes and your linens for the bed. And so that's 1, 2, and here's the 3rd bedroom and bathroom on this side of the house. And let's see what we see outside here. So this back here, you'll see the staff quarters back there. And brand new mattress. And here's a linen closet. Let's see what's going on in here. Oh yeah. Keep your linens, towels, and sheets. Goes all the way up. Nice wood high ceilings. And then we'll keep on coming through here. So that was what, 3 bedrooms on that side? All right. Hello. And let's see here. All right, another bedroom here. Oh yeah. And you can see the view of the hills back there. Nice size. And then in here, another bathroom, shower and toilet. Okay, nice and clean. And then here is an ensuite bedroom and bath all in one. And bright sun that can come in. Oops, maybe this goes this way. Yeah, bright and sunny in here. Very nice. It's a nice location because there's a little small town, like it's maybe 3 minutes up this road. You can get everything you need. There's a big vegetable and fruit market. You can get rice, beans, all the things that you need right there, or have them delivered. There's places you can get clothes and get your car worked on, and they have a whole bunch of restaurants down there too, and bars. So it's really convenient. And for us, it'll be great because the Promised Land is, just a couple of miles down the road. So we can be working with the farm and getting everything up and going on our building process, and we're close by. So we can always just shoot over there and see what's going on. And I think it's a better location for us. But we will miss Kigali, but we want to get closer to the farm, so it's going to work out. And then we can get to know the community a lot better too by being here.